Have you ever wished you had a personal assistant who could write emails, create YouTube scripts, answer difficult questions, help with homework, generate business ideas, and even create amazing images? Well, that assistant already exists. It's called ChatGPT. But here's the surprising part. Most people use only about 10% of what ChatGPT can actually do. In this video, I'll show you what ChatGPT is, how it works, how beginners can use it, and some powerful features that can save you hours every single day. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use ChatGPT smarter, faster, and more effectively. So, let's get started. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI assistant created by OpenAI. It understands natural language, which means you can talk to it just like you would talk to another person. You can ask questions, write articles, generate ideas, solve problems, translate languages, summarize long documents, and much more. Whether you're a student, freelancer, content creator, business owner, or just someone who wants to save time, ChatGPT can become one of the most useful tools you use every day. Now that you know what ChatGPT is, let's explore what it can actually do. One of the biggest reasons ChatGPT has become so popular is its versatility. Instead of using 5 or 6 different apps, you can use one AI assistant for many everyday tasks. Writing content. Need a blog post, email, social media caption, or YouTube script? Just describe what you need, and ChatGPT can create a well-structured first draft in seconds. Learning and studying. Students can use ChatGPT to understand difficult topics, summarize long chapters, solve practice questions, and even create study notes. Remember, always use it as a learning assistant, not as a replacement for your own thinking. Research. If you are researching a topic, ChatGPT can explain complex ideas in simple language, suggest new ideas, and organize information clearly. Business and freelancing. Business owner can generate product descriptions, marketing ideas, customer replies, and business plans. Content creation. If you're a YouTuber or creator, ChatGPT can help you generate video ideas, write engaging scripts, create catchy titles, and even suggest thumbnail concepts. As you can see, ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a powerful productivity tool that can help save time, improve creativity, and make everyday work much easier. One of the biggest secrets to getting better results from ChatGPT is how to write better prompts. A prompt is simply the instruction you give to ChatGPT. The clearer your prompt is, the better the answer will be. A simple formula is role, task, details, output format. Think of it as giving clear instructions to a smart assistant. For example, act as a professional YouTube scriptwriter. Write an 8-minute script about ChatGPT for beginners. Use simple English and keep the tone friendly. Notice how specific this prompt is. The more details you provide, the more useful and accurate the response becomes. ChatGPT can also help you create amazing images. You can generate illustration, YouTube thumbnail ideas, social media graphic, posters, logos, and much more. The key is writing a detailed image prompt. Instead of saying, "Create a thumbnail," try saying, "Create a modern YouTube thumbnail with glowing AI elements, blue lighting, and bold text." The more details you include, the better your image will look. Describe colors, lighting, camera angle, background, and style. Many beginners make the same mistake when using ChatGPT. The first mistake is writing very short prompts. Short prompts usually produce average results. The second mistake is trusting every answer without checking it. Always verify important information from reliable sources. The third mistake is giving up after the first answer. Instead, ask follow-up questions. Very often, a second and third question will give you a much better result. Here are 3 quick tips. Be specific. Keep asking follow-up questions. And save your best prompts for future use. ChatGPT is more than just an AI chatbot. It can become your writing assistant, research partner, study helper, business advisor, and creative companion. Now let's look at some real-life examples of how people use ChatGPT every day. These simple examples will help you understand why millions of people use ChatGPT for work, study, and creativity. Example 1. Imagine you need to write a professional email to your manager. Instead of spending 20 minutes thinking about the right words, you can simply tell ChatGPT what you want to say. Within seconds, it creates a clear, professional, and polite email that you can edit and send. Example 2. Suppose you're a YouTube creator and you need a script for your next video. You can ask ChatGPT to write a beginner-friendly script, suggest video titles, create descriptions, and even generate thumbnail ideas. This saves hours of planning and brainstorming. Example 3. Students can ask ChatGPT to explain difficult topics in simple language. It can summarize long chapters, create study notes, generate quizzes, and help prepare for exams. Instead of memorizing information, students can actually understand the topic. Example 4. Let's say you're planning a trip. ChatGPT can help you create a travel itinerary, suggest places to visit, recommend hotels, estimate costs, and even prepare a packing checklist. Everything is organized in just a few seconds. As you can see, ChatGPT is much more than a simple chatbot. Whether you're a student, business owner, freelancer, content creator, or just someone who wants to save time, ChatGPT can become one of your most useful daily tools. The better your prompts are, the better your results will be. I hope this beginner's guide helped you understand how to use ChatGPT more effectively. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.